Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the Wise application. So let's get started right away. Now you may also find the settings to turn off notification within the application. However, there is a shortcut method that will allow you to do this much easier. Long press on the Wise application on your device and then tap on the info button at the top section. Now from the application info page, tap on forced stop at the bottom right corner first and tap on OK. This will stop the application, and now from this page underneath privacy, tap on notifications. Now if the allow notification toggle is turned on, then this means that any notification will be shown on your device. Make sure to turn this off if you don't wish to see any notifications. You can also customize the notification priority by tapping on notification categories and making your desired changes. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the Wise app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.